Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today we will learn 3 different ways to calculate dividend per share using Microsoft Excel 365. Dividend per share, or DPS, is the amount of money a company pays out to its shareholders for each share they own. In this tutorial, we will work with different financial scenarios to find how much dividend each share gets. Our goal is to calculate the DPS using various financial data. Let's get started. In the first method, we will calculate how much dividend each share gets using simple division. To get started, in any empty cell of your choice, like cell C2, type this formula: equals cell A2 divided by cell B2. Here, cell A2 is the total dividends divided by cell B2, which is the outstanding shares. This will give us how much dividend each share gets. Press enter. This shows the DPS. And just like that, we have calculated that each share receives an equal amount of total dividends paid. Let's move to the second method. In the second method, we will calculate DPS while including special dividends and using average outstanding shares. Here's how to do it. First, to calculate the annual dividend in a helper cell of your choice, like cell C2, type this formula: equals cell A2, which is the total dividends paid, minus cell B2, the special dividends. This will give us the annual dividend. Press enter. Next, let's calculate the average outstanding shares. In cell C4 or any empty cell, type this formula: equal, open bracket, cell A4, which is the initial outstanding stock, plus cell B4, which is the final outstanding stock, close the bracket, divide by 2. This simple formula will give us the average outstanding shares throughout the year. Press enter. There you have it. Finally, to calculate the dividend per share in any empty cell of your choice, like cell B6, type this formula: equals annual dividend, which is cell C2, divided by average outstanding shares, which is cell C4. This will give us the dividend per share. Press enter. It's that simple. After adjusting for special dividends and averaging the shares, each share receives its regular annual dividend. Now let's explore the final method. In the third method, we will calculate DPS using the dividend payout ratio and earnings per share. Let's begin. First, to calculate earnings per share, select any empty cell, such as cell A4, and type this formula: equals, open bracket, net income, which is cell A2, minus dividends paid, which is cell B2, close the bracket, divided by the average outstanding shares, which is cell C2. This will give us the earnings per share, EPS, showing profit per share after dividends. Press enter. Next, let's calculate the dividend payout ratio. In cell B4 or any empty cell, type this formula: equals dividends paid, which is cell B2, divided by net income, which is cell A2. This will give us the dividend payout ratio, showing what percentage of earnings is paid out as dividends. Press enter. Finally, using these values, let's calculate the DPS. Choose any empty cell, like cell C4, and type this formula: equals cell A4, which is earnings per share, multiplied by cell B4, which is dividend payout ratio. Multiplying these values will give us dividend per share, DPS, showing how much dividend each share receives. Press enter. There it is. Using the earnings-based approach, each share receives the dividend based on the company's dividend payout ratio. And that's a wrap. 3 effective ways to calculate dividend per share in Excel. Download the workbook link below. Visit excelinsider.com for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.